Discover the ultimate riding experience with these 15 cool bike gadgets on Amazon that every cyclist will instantly love. From innovative safety gear to smart accessories, each gadget is designed to make your ride smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a casual rider or a dedicated enthusiast, these must-have tools combine practicality with fun, transforming your cycling adventures and taking your two-wheeled journeys to the next level. WSDCAM Bike Alarm. The WSDCAM Bike Alarm is a versatile vibration-triggered security system designed to protect bikes, motorcycles, and more. Producing a loud 110 to 113 decibels alarm, it deters thieves while its sensitive motion sensor detects vibrations, adjustable across multiple levels to reduce false alerts. Controlled via a wireless remote, it offers features like vehicle location alerts, SOS emergency activation, and turns signals on tail light models. Weatherproof and easy to install using straps or adhesive, it comes in both AAA battery and USB rechargeable versions. Beyond bikes, its motion sensor can secure luggage, doors, windows, or other valuable items, offering comprehensive, practical protection. Cycling. Redcomets USB rechargeable bike. The Cycling Redcomets USB rechargeable bike accessory is a game changer for cyclists, combining functionality, safety, and convenience in one sleek device. Designed as a handlebar extender, it provides extra mounting space for phones, speedometers, or other gadgets, while its high-power 2400 lumen headlight illuminates the road with multiple modes, including SOS and rapid flash. The built-in 10,000 mAh power bank lets you charge your devices on the go, and many models include a phone mount, tail light, and horn. Crafted from durable waterproof aluminum alloy, this multifunctional gadget is perfect for all-weather rides and long cycling adventures. BAFANG conversion. Mid-drive kit. The BAFANG mid-drive conversion kit is a popular and cost-effective solution for transforming standard bicycles into powerful electric bikes. Known for reliability and central motor placement, it offers a balanced ride compared to hub motors. Popular models include the BBS-02 up to 750 watts and the BBS-HD 1000 watts, both featuring integrated controllers, thumb throttles, 3 riding modes, and LCD displays. Compatible with most bikes, these kits provide impressive torque for climbing hills. Newer CAN bus versions add smoother power delivery, app connectivity, and integrated accessory ports, making them a versatile and high-performance choice for e-bike enthusiasts. CYCPLUS bike computer. The CYCPLUS GPS bike computer is a versatile cycling companion designed for riders of all levels, combining affordability with advanced functionality. Available in models like the M1 and G1, these devices offer highly accurate GPS tracking, automatic backlighting for clear visibility, and seamless Bluetooth and ANT plus connectivity for sensors and apps like Strava. With an IPX6 waterproof rating, long-lasting rechargeable batteries, and convenient auto-sleep touch wake features. CYCPLUS computers provide reliable performance in any weather. Whether you're a beginner, seeking basic ride stats, or a serious cyclist tracking detailed metrics, CYCPLUS ensures every ride is smarter and more enjoyable. JOYROOM 3.9 6-bike phone holder. The JOYROOM JRZS 396 bike phone holder is a versatile and secure mount designed for bicycles and motorcycles. Its dual vibration dampening system, featuring telescopic anti-shake support and shock-absorbing springs, ensures smooth rides even on bumpy terrain. Compatible with most smartphones between 4.7 to 7 inches, it features a dual lock system with an auto-lock mechanism and reinforced switch for extra security. A 360-degree rotating ball joint allows portrait or landscape viewing, while the half-enclosure design keeps cameras and buttons accessible. Easy one-step installation, soft silicone protection, and a sturdy clamp make it a reliable and user-friendly cycling accessory. Garmin Edge 1050. The Garmin Edge 1050 is a top-of-the-line GPS cycling computer designed for serious cyclists seeking advanced navigation, performance tracking, and connectivity features. Released in 2024, it boasts a vibrant 3.5-inch touchscreen with high-resolution, responsive controls and improved visibility in sunlight. Its long-lasting battery delivers up to 20 hours of active use, extendable to 60 hours in saver mode, while multi-band GNSS ensures precise positioning. Packed with training tools like Climb Pro, Event Adaptive Training, and Power Guide, plus smart features such as Garmin Pay, Group Ride, and Connect IQ customization, the Edge 1050 is built for performance, safety, and convenience on every ride. ZUZEE Mini Bike Pump. The ZUZEE Mini Bike Pump is a compact, portable, and rechargeable electric air compressor designed for cyclists who value speed, convenience, and precision. Delivering up to 150 psi, it inflates road and mountain bike tires rapidly, reaching 80 to 100 psi in just 30 seconds. Its brushless motor ensures powerful, efficient performance, while the LED digital display provides accurate real-time pressure readings. The pump automatically stops at the preset pressure, preventing overinflation. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it fits easily in a jersey pocket or saddlebag. Compatible with both Schrader and Presta valves, it also includes a ball needle, storage pouch, and USB-C charger. APECYC bike lights. APECYC bike lights offer an affordable, high-performance lighting solution for cyclists, featuring rechargeable front headlights and tail lights. Front headlights deliver impressive brightness, multiple modes, including intelligent dimming and strobe settings, and wide-angle beams for maximum visibility, often housed in durable aluminum alloy. Tail lights are USB-C rechargeable with adjustable angles, multiple flashing modes, and memory functions for convenience. Both lights are easy to install with tool-free straps, weatherproof for rain or snow, and versatile for activities like running or camping. With safety-focused designs, including side visibility and glare-free beams, APECYC lights make night rides safer and more enjoyable. TELLEGANTE Smart Bike Light. The TELLEGANTE Smart Bike Light set is a powerful and versatile lighting solution for cyclists who prioritize safety and performance. This USB-C rechargeable kit includes a high-lumen front headlight and a smart tail light with a brake sensor, offering multiple modes for day or night riding. Built with durable aluminum alloy and weather-resistant design, the lights deliver long run times and extreme brightness, up to 2,400 lumens up front and visibility up to 1,500 meters behind. With features like motion sensing, brake detection, tool-free installation, and even a power bank function, it's a must-have accessory for every rider. XLEADER Pro Bike Speaker. The XLEADER Pro Bike Speaker is a rugged, waterproof and shockproof Bluetooth speaker designed specifically for cyclists seeking high-quality audio on the go. It features a stable adjustable handlebar mount that keeps the speaker secure on any terrain, while its IPX7 waterproof rating ensures protection against rain, dust and sand. Equipped with powerful drivers, BASAP technology and Bluetooth V 5.3/5.4, it delivers crisp sound and deep bass. Additional perks include a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, an RGB light show with 6 modes, and up to 12 to 24 hours of battery life. Compact and portable, it's perfect for any ride. WOTOW Bike Repair Toolkit. The WOTOW Bike Repair Toolkit is a compact, all-in-one solution for cyclists needing reliable emergency repairs on the go. Featuring a 14-in-1 or 16-in-1 multi-tool made from durable chrome vanadium or stainless steel, it includes hex Allen keys, socket wrenches, screwdrivers, and specialty tools like a chain breaker. Tyre repair essentials such as a mini pump, tyre levers, puncture patches, and a metal rasp are also included. The kit is portable and versatile, available in a waterproof frame, bag, saddlebag, or hard case, making it easy to carry while ensuring you're prepared for any roadside maintenance. ASTERON Bike Smart Helmet. The ASTERON Smart Bike Helmet combines cutting-edge safety technology with sleek, comfortable design, making it an essential accessory for modern cyclists. Its 360-degree programmable LED display enhances visibility, featuring smart turn signals, automatic brake alerts, and customizable patterns via a companion app. Built with an impact-resistant AST core structure and lightweight adjustable fit, the helmet ensures both protection and comfort. 8 ventilation ports and removable padding keep riders cool and clean, while USB-C charging and wireless remote control make operations simple. Ideal for night rides and urban cycling, this helmet takes safety and style to the next level. ULANZI RO99 Bike Clamp. The ULANZI RO99 Bike Clamp, also known as the Super Clamp, is a versatile and robust camera mount perfect for cyclists, motorcyclists, and content creators. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy with CNC anodizing, it offers a strong, reliable grip on handlebars, seat posts, and other tubes. Its 360-degree rotating ball head allows precise angle adjustments, while rubber anti-slip pads protect surfaces from scratches. Supporting up to 3.3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms, and featuring a standard 1/4 inch screw thread, it's compatible with action cameras, DSLRs, monitors, lights, and microphones, making it a must-have for capturing dynamic footage anywhere. ThinkRider X 2 Max Smart Bike Trainer. The ThinkRider X2 Max Smart Bike Trainer is a portable direct drive trainer designed for realistic indoor cycling. It supports high-intensity workouts with up to 2000 watts resistance, 18% simulated inclines, and precise power measurement, plus or minus 2%. Built-in cadence and power sensors eliminate extra devices, while ERG mode maintains target output automatically. Its quiet operation, approximately 58 decibels, stable triangular frame, and flywheel enclosure make it safe and apartment-friendly. Compatible with Zwift, Trainer Road, and more via BLE or ANT+, it fits road, gravel, and mountain bikes with quick release or through axle setups. Lightweight and portable, It's ideal for serious cyclists seeking efficient, immersive indoor training. PIDZOOM Bike Helmet Mirror. The PIDZOOM Bike Helmet Mirror is a highly versatile accessory designed to boost safety and awareness for cyclists in traffic. Featuring two interchangeable mirrors, a 2.6-inch convex for a wide view and a 3-inch flat for a clearer image, it ensures optimal visibility. Its dual ball joints and adjustable arms allow 360-degree rotation and precise positioning, while multiple mounting options, including adhesive and vent bases, fit nearly any helmet. Reinforced with non-slip and silicone materials, the mirror resists vibration at high speeds. Quick release functionality, left-right mounting, and a reflective front sticker make it practical, secure, and highly visible for all riders.